If you're trying to make new design, you can create a blank document and make everything from scratch and design everything from scratch. But if you want to quickly design out something, then what you can do is you can use template as well. So to use template, you can use one of these options over here on the top right here, like slide or video presentation, infographics, or you can click on start to from template right here, just like this. And once you do that, what happens is that you get range of template options that you can choose from. So it's loading up the template, as you can see, and this is what you see exactly when you're creating a blank document as well. You do get through this space. So over here you can choose out different templates that you want to actually use. You may want to use, let's say, slides or designs for video, maybe maps or posters. So let's just go to posters right here, and here you can see different templates that you can use for posters. So let's say, for example, if I want to go around and use, let's say, the time to travel poster right here, the travel poster, you can click on this, and what happens is that it loads out the template for you to use. So you can use this template right here, click on it, and over here I'm going to type sample design from template right here. So just gonna go around and type that in, and here you have to choose anyone on the web if you're using the free version of the application. And once you hit continue, what happens is that it loads up the template in the Prezi Design working area. So it's loading out, and you can see this right here. So you can move this around. So this is the laptop, this is a graphics, this background right here. So you can edit these things out individually, as you can see. And using templates is much more faster if you want to quickly get some design out right here, instead of using blank document to have each and everything manually. So that is how you can access and use out templates inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.